Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're back in Teardown. As you can see, we're on a mission today, and my mission is, let's have a look. We've got some targets. I would like to do this, but I don't think we have enough time because we need to collect these targets. So first we've got a confiscated ball. Then we've got my grade. Then we've got eliminate the permanent record. Then we've got the event planning. Seems pretty hard because once we take one thing, it will set a timer and an alarm. As you can see, there's the first thing that we need. So let's go ahead. We need to make a space to get up, and we need to space go back and get back down. So I think the order we'll do it in is we'll go get the confiscated ball, then we'll go to the change my grade, then we'll go to the permanent record, I think. Yeah, then we'll go to the event planning. Okay, that's pretty good. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, and now come out, and we need to go, I think in here. Is it in here? Oh yeah, it's here. Let's see. Yes, we're in. We got it. We got it. Now we need to go to the number 7. How do we get in? Oh, it's there. It's right there. Do it on the first try. Where's number 3? Oh no, I don't know where the number 3 is. Oh, this wall is so hard to break. Can we even break this wall? Where is it? Okay, I'm not sure where it is. Tell me, where is this thing? Where is it? No, we're literally... Is it? I swear, where is it? I think it's on the other side of this wall. No, we were so... Restart. Oh, we were so close. I think I need to remember where it is. I got the other 3, alright. Let's try again then, shall we? Oh, this is definitely hard. I mean, we're making it easier using mods, but it's still hard. Ready? Go. Out. And then in here. And it's in this one, I think. Yes. Yes, this is going better. And then it's over here. And it's in here. I can't remember. Yes, now we've got so much spare time. And it's over here, I think. Somewhere. Is it in here? Can't see. Oh, it's in here. Pick up. And we've got, it's complete. It's complete. Now, all we need to do is get to the escape vehicle. Wait, escape vehicle? What's the escape vehicle? I didn't know there was a escape vehicle. What do we do? Just like get in a random car? Oh no. What the? I don't know where. Maybe. I think it's that white van. I think it's the white van is our escape car. Okay, so we need to head to the white van as soon as we get all 4 targets. Okay. Let's try that one more time. Come on. We have to do it. Oh, I didn't know which was the escape vehicle. We could have done it. So close. Right. Let's go. Come on. Let's do this. It is definitely a hard one. I mean, it's easier to do than like but it's still hard. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. No, 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 no. Okay. We're definitely getting faster at this. Yes. Already done 2. This is good. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, yes. No, no. It literally just put me underground. That's not fair. That literally. And it's over here. In this room. there on the table. Go out. And where is it? Where's the vehicle? There. Now, escape. Yes, we did it, guys. Come on. Woohoo, we did it. And now where do we go? Do we just go around and... Oh, we drive through the fence. That makes sense. But we did it. Come on. Finally did it. And that was really fun. I hope that just wasn't me, but that was a hard heist, but a good heist. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And please like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.